Hello guys, welcome to KB School Education. Today I am going to explain you about the aerobic respiration. So based on the aerobic respiration, there is an activity in the 10th class textbook of biology subject. So that is to prove that carbon dioxide is released during the aerobic respiration. So let me explain you about the aerobic respiration. So behind of this, first you go through the textbook and once revise all the activities, then come to upon this. Okay, let us start now. So aerobic respiration. So the meaning of aerobic respiration is the respiration which occurs in the presence of the oxygen. Presence of oxygen. So aerobic respiration, the respiration which occurs in the presence of the oxygen. And there is one more thing, that is anaerobic respiration. So the anaerobic respiration which occurs in the absence of the oxygen. So we will keep aside of that. Now we will see only about aerobic respiration. So we will see the next. That is, first for doing this activity we should know the name, materials required, procedure. We will see next first one, aim. What is the aim of this activity? So aim, already we have written on the board that to prove that carbon dioxide is released during the aerobic respiration. This is the aim. Next, materials required. So materials required for doing this activity, which materials we required? Let's see that. First one, beaker, bottle, glass bottle, and next is lime solution, and Bengal gram seeds. Bengal gram seeds or moong seeds. So these are the materials which we require for this activity, and let us see the procedure now. Okay guys, now we have seen the aim and materials required. Now we will see the procedure. So first step in the procedure is to take the Bengal gram seeds in a beaker. So imagine this is a beaker and we have taken the Bengal gram seeds in it. So after taking the Bengal gram seeds in a beaker, fill it with the water. After filling it, leave it for a while. After that, take a white clean cloth and take out the Bengal gram seeds from the beaker and keep it in a white clean cloth. After that, tie it with a knot and keep it aside for 2 to 3 days without disturbing it. For this procedure, it requires 2 to 3 days. So next day, collect the sprouts from the pouch. So already I said that we have kept it in a white clean cloth. So collect all the sprout and keep it in a glass bottle. So imagine that these are the Bengal gram sprouts. So these are the sprouts. So already we have seen that in the materials required we have taken a beaker. So here the requirement of the beaker. We need to place the beaker over here with lime water. So one more time I will tell you. Take the sprouts from the cloth and keep it in a glass bottle. After keeping it, place the beaker of lime water into the glass bottle. So let me write this. This is a glass bottle. These are the germinating seeds, we can call it as. And this is a beaker with lime solution. So guys, this is the set 1 of it. This is the set 1. From this activity, this is a set 1. So there is a set 2. That in this, the procedure will be the same, but here some of change. That is, imagine this is a glass bottle. Here we need to pour the seeds that should be unspotted seeds. So here we soaked the seeds in the water and we have tied it with a knot in the white clean cloth. So here, without tying the cloth, without soaking the seeds in the water, we need to pour the dry seeds in the beaker. With dry seeds we need to do this activity. So here same, we need to place the lime solution. Now we need to tie the cap of the both bottles. Both glass bottles cap should be tighted. Next, leave it a set 1, set 2 procedure for 2 to 3 days. Then observe the changes. Now we will see the observations. If you didn't get it, just rewind the video and watch again. Okay guys, now let us see the observation and the result of this experiment. So let us see the observation. The observation is the glass bottle which with the germinating seeds beaker turns into the milky white. So milky white, obviously it means this calcium carbonate. When do we get calcium carbonate? When lime plus carbon dioxide will react, then calcium carbonate will get. So let us see that the beaker contains the lime solution, that is CaO. Carbon dioxide is released by the germinating seeds, then only we got the carbon dioxide. So gives rise to calcium carbonate. CaCO3 is a calcium carbonate. Milky white, it means that calcium carbonate. So this is the equation of this observation, and we will see the result. That obviously CO2 is released, carbon dioxide is released by the germinating seeds. So if germinating seeds will release the carbon dioxide, then only we will get the calcium carbonate. So this is the result of this activity. So this is the whole procedure of this activity, and we have already given the aim, materials, observation and result. So go thorough of this because it is a mostly asked question in the SSC exam. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe it.